Yes, class 1A part electrostatics. Our topic is superposition principle. In this topic, we have number of charges in the space. Suppose that the charges are Q1, Q2 and Q3 and position vectors R1 vector, R2 vector and R3 vectors. All charges are of same nature. Then they always will have a force of repulsion between each other. We want to find out the total force acting on charge Q1 due to all the charges, that is Q2, Q3 and so on. This we want to find out. First of all, we have F12 vector. It means force acting on charge 1 due to charge 2. Formula 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 into Q2 upon R cube 1 2 and R21 vector. This is in vector form. Similarly, force acting on charge Q1 due to charge Q3 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 upon R cube 1 3 into R31 vector. In same way, force acting on charge 1 due to charge 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 into Q4 upon R cube 1 4 into R41 vector. Then total force acting on charge 1 due to all the charges is equal to, here we will add all the forces, then we will take common term. Common term is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Then put all the values in the bracket. This is the result for total force acting on any charge due to all the charges. Or in also vector form, second form is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation j is equal to 1 to n, j never equal to y, qi into qj upon r cube ij into r gi vector. This is the total result.